At Impro, our employees make a difference every day, supporting each other, our customers, and our communities. From elevator and wall protection to signage and privacy systems, our architectural products blend durability, style, and function to elevate commercial spaces and create a lasting impact inside. Our 8 proven production principles are the backbone of our manufacturing processes. Concrete in nature, yet flawlessly refined. They guide us today and will continue to do so for years to come. Proven. It's just who we are. Our 8 proven production principles guide everything we do. Safety ensures everyone goes home safe every day. Work safe, home safe. Show ready means clean, organized, and high-performing facilities. Quality empowers employees to deliver perfection in every product. Data-driven decisions optimize results at every step. On-time performance ensures we deliver on every promise. Communication keeps teams aligned and focused. Continuous improvement drives innovation and excellence. Ownership fosters leadership and pride in every role. These principles are the foundation of our success. At Impro, our 8 principles are proven, our practices are sound, and our commitment to excellence is unwavering. Proven. It's just who we are.